Mathmatica download instructions. Navigate to the Mathmatica download page. Click the Mathmatica link to create an account. Sign in to Wolfram or click Create One if you don't have an account. Enter your info, be sure to use your NCSU email. Navigate back to the NCSU Mathmatica download page. You will now need to fill out the Wolfram activation key request form. Navigate to your email to verify your account. Click the link in the email from Wolfram. You will need to wait for another email with the activation key. It may take longer than the verification email. Navigate to My Products and Services and click Get Downloads. Click Register your product. Enter the missing contact information, then click Submit. Copy the activation key for later. Click Product Summary page. Scroll down and click the Download button for the version you wish to install, then click Start Download. Click the file when it is done downloading. Click Launch. Click Next. Leave the default folder, then click Next. Leave the default selections, then click Next. Leave the name, then click Next. Click Install. Click Finish. Enter the activation key you previously copied, then click Activate. Check the box to accept the terms, then click OK. Mathmatica is now ready to use.